Hello everybody. Today we see about Snibe Diagnostics Maglumi LH CLIA Detecting Hormone Reagent Kit. This reagent kit is used for analyze the detecting hormones level in blood serum. Here we see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics, and this is a product name Maglumi LH CLIA. In this kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 5.5 ml buffer, 10.5 ml ABA label, 1 ml control 1, 1 ml control 2, and here we see the reference number 130252002M and also lot number and the expiry date. Then here is the picture picture of instruction manual. We did not storage under the sun, and we can maintain the temperature in this under 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. In this kit we used to up to 100 test. This is a CE certificate product and CE certificate IVD product. Here is the details of manufacturing details. This is a front view of this product, and we can see the side view. In the side view we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. On another side view, we can see the product name Maglumi LH, then reference number 130252002M, then lot number, then expiry date. Then the back view, we can see the Snibe Diagnostics brand name. This is a total representative view of this product. Then we can see what are the contents in this product. Here we see what are the product contents in this reagent kit. The first one is instruction manual. In this instruction manual we can see the Snibe Diagnostics Maglumi LH CLIA, then CE certification and reference number 130252002M for 100 test kits. In this instruction manuals we can see the indentive, summary, test principle, reagent kits and reagent handling, storage and stability, then quality control, results, calculation. Moreover, the details all are in this indent manual. We keep this aside. Then the second one is Maglumi reagent seal sticker. We keep aside. The third one is the QC certificate. This QC certificate is provided by Snibe Diagnostics. The fourth one control stickers. There are total number 8 number of control stickers, 4 number of LH control 1 and 4 number of LH control 2, total of 8 number of control stickers. The another one is control solutions. There are 2 number of control solutions. One is control 1 and control 2. I can open this pack for your reference. You can see the controls clearly now. This is LH CLIA control 1 and this is LH CLIA control 2. You can also see the Maglumi brand name. Both are 1 ml. Yeah, we keep aside this. And this is a reagent kit Maglumi LH CLIA. You can see the contents 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 5.5 ml buffer and 10.5 ml of ABEL label. These are the front view. and this is the top view. On this side, back view. So these are the contents Maglumi LH reagent kit have. We go for summarize. Snibe Diagnostics Maglumi LH CLIA kit. This it contains one instructions manual, one QC certificate, LH control stickers, Maglumi reagent seal sticker, 2 controls, and one Maglumi LH reagent kit. Thank you.